What's up, guys? We are here at the Rad Ranch in the Rad shop doing rad things. This is Calvin.
Nice to meet y'all.
Came down from back home. And today we're going to be yanking the motor out of Cracker, the 84 GSLSE RX7 Rally Car. So it has a blown coolant seal, so it just pukes coolant out of the top of the cap here, pressurizes the coolant system, similar to a blown head gasket for the piston engine minded folks. So we've got a new motor built over here. We're switching it to a Series 4 6-port out of a FC RX7. Make a little more compression, a little bit nicer, and I stacked this one up last weekend. And we're gonna throw a little time lapse up. Should only take us about 40 minutes. So here we'll look at the clock there, 9 o'clock. And we'll get this thing popped out and get some things cleaned up and hopefully get it back together and running today and do some donuts. So follow along. Alright, we're back. Time is, where's the phone at?
Over there, on the bench.
9:47. So I forget what time we started. Was it 10 after?
It was like 10.
So 30 minutes, not bad. Here she is. You can see right here, it is literally pouring water out of the rear rotor housing. It's coming out the exhaust port. So bad water jacket, probably cracked the groove on one of the irons, but it's out. So you can see it's like death rust in there, and this one's not that good either. Actually, I'm curious. So we're going to put the socket on the front. See what comes out. Ooh. Yeah. Yummy. So yeah, I had a blown coolant seal. Pretty good, actually. Alright, so we were playing with the engine hoist, setting this other engine down over here, and at my buddy Charles' house we welded a wrench to the side of his engine hoist so that you could use the valve a lot easier. So we now have wrench to open and close the valve. Engine hoist upgrades.
Works.
Also, my welding helmet batteries died, so I had to weld it with my eyes closed, but it came out pretty good. This old gal does a pretty good job. Motor's in, all done. Johnny came over. Calvin's here. We've just been slaving away. I think it's what, about noon?
Yeah.
So about 3 hours to get this all done and back and in. So we're ready to try to fire it. So Calvin's going to take this and we're going to fire this thing up. We'll set the timing and should be ready to roll. Donuts. it's blowing all the coolant out of the exhaust that was in the exhaust from whenever we had the blowing coolant seal, ain't it?
Probably.
Oh.
It's your boy, Johnny K. This is what we do at the Rad Ranch. Don't try this at home. Feeling lucky. Are you feeling lucky? Yes, I'm feeling lucky. She's trying. Timing must be off. You want him to stop? Hey, Calvin, stop. Talk to me.
Something's off good on the timing because it's like popping and banging. Being real weird. It's like as soon as I let off the clutch, it's instant dead. Like it doesn't even stay running. You know what I mean? It's like shut off completely. So. Man, them gravel tires tear this place up. Just pulled it in the garage, wanted to show y'all. We rigged the fuel pump up to run by clipping this alligator clip to the ground because it wasn't actually turning on, so we got that fixed up. But all in all, it's been a fantastic day. What's up, y'all? We're back. Kind of sort of got the car running. You'll see we shredded the front yard, so we're gonna go get some food. It's running, smoking a little bit. Thanks to Calvin and Johnny for coming over and piddling, and we're gonna close this one out here. And I will see y'all around. Keep it rad.